Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking for You. Today we are going to make the South India's most interesting dish, Masala Dosa. Ingredients we need for this are Bengal gram, red chillies, ginger, garlic, cumin seeds, lemon juice, oil, black mustards, onions, green chilies, salt, turmeric powder, potato pieces boiled, coriander leaves, dosa batter. Let's head to preparation process. Roast Bengal gram. Add red chilies to it and take these things into grinder. Add garlic and ginger to it. Add cumin seeds and lemon juice. Now give it a mix and make a red paste like this. And then in another pan, take oil 2 tablespoons, add cumin seeds to it, add black mustard seeds to it, add chopped onions to it. Give it a mix, make sure not to get burned. Add green chilies. Add salt to taste and turmeric powder. Give it a mix. Add mashed potatoes. Add coriander leaves. So now our mashed potato is ready. Head to dosha. Spread all over the dosha batter. Add oil to it. After a 5 to 10 seconds, add the red paste we made before. Apply it thoroughly all over around. And now add mashed potatoes masala to it. Make sure you uncover it around the edges and give it a half flip as shown in the video. For a proper restaurant style, check this video out and try to make this recipe. Thank you.